Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by turning Circle to search on and granting permissions. Do this now. Open the Google app, tap More, then Settings, and find Circle to search. Toggle it on. Once enabled, accept the prompts for microphone and overlay so Circle can capture selection and show results. Make sure accessibility permissions are granted so gestures work reliably. These steps let you invoke Circle instantly on your Nord CE5. Once done, we move to configuring the gesture and region selection behavior. Next, configure how Circle activates and what it searches for. In Circle settings, choose a gesture you prefer, long press or a 3-finger swipe, so activation is fast on the Nord CE5. Adjust overlay size and language to match the content you browse, and toggle safe search if needed. Once configured, test by drawing a circle over text or an image in any app. Observe responsiveness and change the timeout or sensitivity if it misses selections. This tuning makes searches precise and repeatable. To finish, use Circle regularly. Draw a circle around text or an image to trigger instant results and action chips like translate, copy, or open. Make sure you draw confidently. Slow, shaky circles can miss content, so a steady motion improves detection. If results are inconsistent, clear the Google App Cache, restart the phone, or reopen permissions in Settings and re-enable Accessibility Overlay. One troubleshooting tip: if Circle still fails, reinstall the Google app. That often restores the feature on Nord CE.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.